Welcome to Minds of Invention. Explore amazing stories from history, fascinating science, and mind-blowing curiosities that shaped our world.
What do airplanes, smartphones, medical implants, spacecraft, and luxury watches all have in common? The answer is titanium. It's one of the most important materials in the modern world, yet most people barely notice it. You probably interact with titanium every single day without realizing it, and many of the technologies we rely on simply wouldn't work without it. Titanium is a chemical element, number 22 on the periodic table. With the symbol T, it's classified as a transition metal, meaning it has a balance of strength, toughness, and flexibility that makes it extremely useful in engineering. Even though titanium often feels rare or exotic, it actually isn't. It's the 9th most abundant element in Earth's crust. The reason titanium is valuable isn't scarcity, but difficulty. Titanium is almost never found in pure form. Instead, it's bonded to other elements inside minerals, and separating it requires high temperatures, complex chemical processes, and a lot of energy. This difficulty in processing is what limits where titanium is used, and why it is usually reserved for applications where its properties truly matter. What makes titanium so important is its unique combination of characteristics. One of its most impressive traits is its strength-to-weight ratio. Titanium is about as strong as steel, but nearly 45% lighter. This allows engineers to build structures that can withstand huge forces without adding unnecessary mass. In industries like aviation and spaceflight, reducing weight directly translates into better performance, lower fuel consumption, and increased safety. Titanium is also highly resistant to corrosion. Unlike steel, it doesn't rust when exposed to water or air. When titanium comes into contact with oxygen, it forms an extremely thin but strong oxide layer on its surface. This layer protects the metal underneath from further damage, even in aggressive environments like saltwater, chemical processing facilities, or high humidity conditions. Another critical property of titanium is its biocompatibility. The human body does not see titanium as a threat. It doesn't trigger strong immune reactions, and it doesn't release toxic substances over time. This makes titanium one of the most important materials in modern medicine. In healthcare, titanium has completely changed what is possible. It is widely used in hip and knee replacements, dental implants, bone plates, screws, and spinal support systems. One of the most remarkable things about titanium implants is that bone can grow directly onto their surface, a process known as osseointegration. This creates an extremely strong bond between the implant and the body, allowing it to function almost like natural bone. Because of this, many titanium implants can last for decades, often for the rest of a patient's life. Without titanium, modern orthopedic surgery, dentistry, and trauma care would be far less effective and far more risky. Titanium is just as critical in aerospace engineering. In aviation, every kilogram matters. Lighter aircraft burn less fuel, can fly farther, and carry more passengers or cargo. Titanium is used in aircraft frames, landing gear components, and fasteners because it offers strength without excessive weight. Jet engines, in particular, rely heavily on titanium. Engine components are exposed to extreme heat and stress, and titanium maintains its strength at temperatures where many other metals would weaken or fail. This makes modern high-performance engines possible. In space exploration, titanium becomes even more important. Rockets and spacecraft must endure intense vibration during launch. Extreme temperature swings between sunlight and shadow, radiation, and the vacuum of space. Titanium's durability and reliability make it a trusted material for space agencies and private space companies alike, where failure can mean the loss of missions or lives. Titanium also plays a role in everyday consumer products. It's used in smartphones, laptops, eyeglass frames, watches, bicycles, and high-performance sports equipment. Titanium is especially popular in premium products because it feels solid, resists corrosion from sweat and moisture, and maintains its appearance over time. A titanium watch or frame can last for decades with minimal wear. Beyond metal parts, titanium compounds are used in many everyday items. Titanium dioxide, for example, is a common pigment found in paints, plastics, paper, and sunscreen. It provides brightness, opacity, and UV protection, making titanium a hidden part of daily life for billions of people. Despite its abundance, titanium remains expensive. The challenge is not finding titanium, but extracting and processing it. The metal must be refined in controlled environments to prevent contamination, and shaping it requires specialized equipment. These factors make titanium more costly than common metals like steel or aluminum. Because of this, titanium is usually used only when its unique advantages justify the cost. Looking ahead, titanium's importance is expected to grow even more. As industries move toward electric vehicles, lighter and stronger infrastructure, advanced prosthetics, and long-term space exploration, demand for high-performance materials will continue to increase. New manufacturing methods, such as 3D printing with titanium, are already allowing engineers to reduce waste and create complex designs that were impossible before. So why is titanium important? Because it combines strength, lightness, durability, and compatibility with the human body in a way that almost no other material can. It supports modern transportation, enables advanced medical care, and helps humans push beyond current technological limits. Titanium may not be flashy like gold or as widely known as steel, but quietly, it is one of the materials holding the modern world together. Thank you for watching. If you found this fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You'll never look at the world the same way again.